Well. Welcome once again. Today I'm this far, still part of Turkana. Trying to at least share with you what this place looks like. And this bridge just came in this afternoon to have a walk. What are you doing?
Like a ringtone.
Umpat again.
Jaribu kutafuta wimbo.
What can you say about this place? This should be the longest, let me say, the longest hanging bridge. Back there you can see, if I point somewhere here, this is the end of the first bridge. It's all one bridge, combination of 5 bridges to make one. Then here's the second one. Yeah, the end of the second one. The first one should be here. Then this one is the second. Then the third one. Almost at the end of the third one. Over here. This is the end of the third one. Over here. Up there you can see. Then here again you can see. Up here. The end of the third one. Then the fourth one. Here's the end of the fourth one. Yeah, up here. Then the fourth one. Then this should be the last one, the fifth one. So it's a combination of total of 5 bridges to give you a one complete bridge. Can see that far. The end of the bridge is not even clear. It's too long. Let me show you this sideways. Yeah, we're coming to an end. Coming to the end of the fifth. And this should be the last part of the bridge over here. That is the end of the bridge over there. Yeah. Peace. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and for the returning viewers, thank you for supporting me and doing all this with me always. Share with your friends, share with everyone, and if you are new, kindly subscribe. Yeah, this is part of Kenya. Welcome to my channel. Feel free to visit this area. This is a very nice place in Turkana. Yeah, in Turkana. That is Lokchogio Road. Bye.